All right, drinking water pouches for survival. What's the good, the bad, and the ugly? I'm going to tell you right now. I'm a former CIA officer, and I'm dressed like a crazy person because I'm out at our 320-acre Spy Ranch right now, and I don't feel like putting on sunscreen today, and it is very sunny. So anyways, these water pouches. How do I feel about them? Would I recommend them for your bug out bag, for survival purposes and all that? Well, you obviously got to have water, which is why I have wells, which is why I've got water stored in my basement and aqua containers and 55-gallon drums, which is why, of course, you can just buy the Costco bottled water too to have extra storage. So you absolutely have to have a tremendous amount of water storage for your family. But what about these pouches? I have a love-hate relationship with them. Here's why. You want to have a water filter in your bug out bag for obvious reasons, which is why I have water filters in every single bug out bag for my wife and 7 kids. But these pouches, even though they're in good, thick material, allegedly, every time I put them in a bug out bag, these suckers have sprang a leak. I kid you not. So it's not like I'm doing anything crazy. It's not like I'm stabbing them or whatever, but myself and many others is they leak all the time. So put them in some kind of hard-sided case inside your bug out bag if you're going to use them, because it just seems like for whatever reason, they leak like crazy. So I prefer having, again, something that is a hard side container that you just keep water in. Now you're probably
thinking, oh, it's gonna go bad.
It's water. It's not gonna go bad. These pouches right here, they have a 5-year shelf life because they're putting a shelf life on something. You can have these pretty much forever. Store them in a cool, dry place if you're able to. And guess what? If you're afraid after 10 years of storage that, hey, I don't want to drink it, well, that's why you have a water filter, so you can filter it through it. So this one I'm holding right here, it has been one of my bug out locations probably for, I don't know, a decade maybe. So we're gonna tear this open and drink it right now. It's only a few ounces, it's not a whole lot, which is why if you use these things, you need to have a lot of them. So let's see. I'm by myself today here at the ranch, so I gotta open this up somehow one-handed as I film this. Let's see how this is gonna, maybe I can do it with my mouth instead of put the camera down. Let's find out. Let's find out. And of course, I probably just bit off the bit where no water's actually gonna come out. And I'm right. So, all right, camera. We're going to put the camera in the pocket real quick. All right. One-handed video filming, drinking water. Here we go. So I opened it up. Water tastes fine. Nothing wrong with it. Again, I think this one has been a decade. So have your emergency water. If you like these pouches, to each his own, get them. But remember, put them in a hard-sided case, or eventually they'll puncture. You open your bug out bag, it'll be wet, or it'll have already dried, and you'll just have some empty pouches. All right, I'm former CIA officer Jason Hanson. For more tips and tricks, go to spybriefing.com. Get a bunch of free stuff from there. God bless you. God bless your family.